everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. And we're gonna get started. I am going to do a monthly layout. I have never done one of these. This is my first one that I've ever ordered, and so I'm not exactly sure where everything goes and all of that stuff, but so we're just gonna dive in this together and we'll see how it goes. So first off, what I'm gonna do is these right here, this goes along the top. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those on. So that's what we've got so far at the top. I wasn't exactly sure how to measure all of that, so that was a little interesting, but it measured out just fine. I may have a little bit of overlap, but not very much. And so that's the top, and then let's see. So it looks like this one goes over these to cover. And then I'm guessing that's what this extra one was for, is to cover up on this side. So I'm gonna go ahead and get those going. So now all that we have showing is the days of May. So we covered up the leftovers from April. And I forgot to mention that these are from So Cute Planner. This monthly kit is from So Cute Planner, and I love her stickers. I just started using her stickers, and they're so easy to work with. They're so easy to put down, and then they're also easy if you got it crooked or anything to reposition. So they're really great. So now comes the fun part. I'm not exactly sure what to do with the rest. Like, I have these that I think you could make a functional sidebar here, I think. And then I know that these go on for the holidays and things. So, but first I'm gonna go ahead and do our date dots, even though they're kind of cut out into like banners. So I'm going to go ahead and speed through that and get those laid down. So that's what it looks like whenever you get all of the date dots on there. I really like this. Like I said, I've never done a monthly kit before, but I'm really liking what it looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark the holidays. So the first one we had was Cinco de Mayo. And it just covers the writing on there. Then the next one we had was Mother's Day. And like I said, I'm getting to this rather late. Today is actually the 21st. So I'm getting to it really late, but my kit didn't come in till late, and anyway, it wasn't working out, and then I was behind on my weeks and everything, so, but better late than never. So then Memorial Day, and then so then we can go to our functional stickers. So I think I've got a little bit of a hexagon hanging out here, so I'm going to go ahead and use this other floral, like extra thing here. I'm gonna put that here. I am not left-handed. And that's gonna be too much. Let's see if I can cut that off without it completely ruining it. Let's try. Okay. Again, not left-handed, and it's not going on straight, of course. Okay. I'm gonna have to turn it sideways so I can see. There we go. All right, so we got that. I'm gonna go ahead and put this calendar down here in the bottom just so that I have a view of the next month. I'm not sure if it's going to show through or not. I'm gonna go ahead and white out just to be sure. Then I gotta measure it and see. Looks like I just needed it from there on. I also ordered, I don't think I did for the month of May, but for June and July I also ordered some kits for the note section. So, and again, my whiteout is not working. There we go. So I will have that to try to venture on whenever I plan for June. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put paydays in here for me because I get paid, my husband gets paid every week, but I just get paid every other week. So that one is a little bit harder to keep up with. So payday, let's see, I had one on the 8th. And then this week is payday. Woot woot. Exciting. Okay, so we got payday. It also comes with bill dues, but I don't mark my bill dues because I just pay my bills once a week. So I don't need to keep track of that. Let's see. We didn't have any birthdays for this month. I do need to, it does have a prescription refill, which I will definitely use. And ours are due on the 27th. So, do I want to just put that or do I want to layer it? I think I want to layer it because why not use these pretty flags when you have them, right? So, let's put this right here. On the 27th, it's time to renew our prescriptions. Okay, oh, it has some cute little paydays with like a little shopping bag with money sticking out of it. That's cute. Let's see, what else do I need to mark? Oh, I did change my air filters in the house on the 5th. So I do need to mark that. And how do I want to do that? Let's see. Let's do with an exclamation point. And another little flag here. So let's put this here. And we'll put an exclamation point and put changed air filters. Trying to make sure that I'm changing that once a month because that just gets away from me all the time. So that's what I've got on there. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit in the sidebar. Like I said, we didn't have any events because we're all still on lockdown, can't really do anything. I don't have any birthdays, so I'm just gonna put like this month and then some of the checklist, and I may come up with some things that I need to do for this month. I don't really have, like, off the top of my head something that I'm thinking about that I need to, like, get done. I'm sure there's plenty. So we've got that, and I think that's just about it. Like I said, this is my first time using this. I'm not exactly sure everything that I really want to use. There's a big blank spot here, and I feel like I want to fill that up. But I'm not exactly sure with what, because like I said, we don't have any birthdays. Reminders, maybe. I guess we could do reminders, and like just as I'm doing stuff monthly. Let's put that in there. Reminders and another checklist. And maybe as things come up, I can keep track of that. And then I almost need like a little decorative little something. I have these half boxes I don't think will fit. Let's see. Kind of covers it up a little bit and kind of makes it messy. I need some like deco, and that's way too big. Man, I don't know. I'm a little lost on there. I may need to just, what can I do? What can I do? I just don't know. I don't really have anything else that I can put there other than like an appointment label. I don't really want to put that. I think that's gonna be it. So it didn't exactly turn out. That little white space there is really bugging me. But if I think if I put one of these bows here, I don't think I'm gonna like that. No, because it just completely covers up everything. I am just not seeing anything that I can put there to fill in that dead space, and that really, really stinks. I should have, I guess, maybe scooted these down a little bit, or I'm not sure. Well, events, bills due, appointments, birthdays, goals. I don't have any of those. Well, I guess that's gonna be it, because I can't think of anything else that I could put there off the top of my head. So we're just gonna leave it like this. I may find something and add that in there later as I find it, but I really enjoyed this. For my very first monthly spread, I think it turned out really well. It was really easy to figure out, other than the whole sidebar thing, and I think that's just a personal preference thing on how you want to utilize your sidebar. And so I think maybe next time I will just white out the little hexagon that's there and scooch that stuff down, and I think that'll fill it out more nicely. But Trial and error. This is what we came up with, and I think overall it turned out really well. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions on what I could do different, or just any ideas that you have on how to utilize this, give me a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do, and hit the bell notification. You'll get notified every time that I put up a new video. And as always, shine bright like starlight.